Welcome to BrizoConsol Academy. Today, we'll talk about configuring NCI, ownership, acquisition and account mapping. NCI is managed from adjustments, then NCI. This brings you to the Reconcile and Verify screen, where you review the NCI journals BrizoConsol generates each period. Before we look at the journals, let's configure NCI for an entity. Click Settings. This lists every subsidiary eligible for NCI, meaning any entity that isn't 100% owned by the group. Demo Sales Company is 80% owned, giving it 20% NCI. Demo Service Company is 90% owned, giving it 10% NCI. Click into an entity to configure it. The Ownership History tab is where you record every ownership transaction for that subsidiary in chronological order. Each row drives the NCI percentage used in calculations. This entry shows Demo Group acquired 80% of Demo Sales Company in June 2025, paying $117,000 against net assets of $140,000 at fair value. Click Add Record to log a new transaction. There are two transaction types. Acquire is for when the parent buys shares. You enter the month, the percentage transacted, and the investment cost. BrizoConsol uses this to calculate goodwill automatically. Dispose is for when the parent sells shares. You record the disposal amount. One important behavior to know: if a disposal brings the cumulative parent ownership below 50%, BrizoConsol automatically turns off consolidation for that entity, since it's no longer controlled. With configuration in place, go to NCI Reconcile and Verify to see the result every period. This screen shows the journals BrizoConsol generates automatically: an NCI P&L journal splitting profit for Demo Sales Company, an NCI CTA journal handling NCI's share of the translation reserve, and a separate NCI P&L journal for Demo Service Company. Expanding the P&L journal shows it moving NCI's 20% share of Demo Sales Company's profit out of current year earnings and into the NCI share of profit account. Expanding the CTA journal shows the equivalent treatment for NCI's share of the translation reserve. This is how you trace every NCI figure back to its source: the ownership percentage, the underlying profit or CTA movement, and the specific journal BrizoConsol posted. In the next module, we'll look at month-end close and period lock.